Welcome! In this short video, I will show two easy ways to add music and sound in CapCut for PC, and how to record voiceovers right inside the app. By the end, you will know how to use CapCut's built-in audio, how to import your own files, and how to record clean voice audio so your video sounds professional. First, the simplest method is to use CapCut's built-in audio library. Open your project and make sure your clips are on the timeline at the bottom of the screen. At the top left, you will see tabs like Media, Audio, and Text. Click Audio to open the Music and Sound Effects library. Inside Audio, you can browse categories like Music or Sound Effects, and those categories have subcategories such as Vlog, Marketing, or Hot Background Music. You can also search for a style, for example. I searched for documentary background to find calm cinematic tracks. Click a track name to preview it, so you can hear how it fits your footage. When you find a track you like, click the plus icon or Add to Track. CapCut will place the audio on a separate audio track below your video on the timeline. Click and drag the blue audio clip left or right to align it with the part of your video where it should start. To shorten the track, hover the edge of the clip and drag inward to trim it. Select the audio clip on the timeline and look at the right-hand panel for audio controls. In the Basics section, you can move the volume slider up or down and set a fade-in or fade-out time for smoother transition. If you have the Pro version, you can also use AI tools like Reduce Noise and Enhance Voice to clean up recordings. If your video clip already contains recorded sound, select that video clip and open the audio section in the right panel. From there, you can lower or raise its volume, add fade-in or fade-out, and balance it against background music. The second option is importing your own music or sound files. Click the Media tab in the top left panel and hit Import. A file browser will open, letting you choose MP3, WAV, or other supported files from your computer. You can also simply drag and drop an audio file from your computer into CapCut's Media panel. After the file appears in the Media library, drag it down to an empty audio track on the timeline. Adjust its position and length the same way you would with built-in audio. This method is best when you have a custom track or a licensed piece of music you prefer. To record voiceovers directly in CapCut, find the small microphone icon just above the timeline. Hovering over it will show VoiceOver. Click it. Choose your microphone in the pop-up and press record when you are ready to speak. Stop recording when you finish, and the clip will appear on the timeline for you to place and edit. You can also use enhanced voice and echo reduction features in it. That covers everything you need to add music, import your own audio, and record voiceovers in CapCut on PC. Try a quick test project to get comfortable with placing, trimming, and fading audio, and you will be able to make your video sound much better. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to my channel. Also, comment. What problem do you want me to solve in the next video? Take care and bye.